this world, English is everywhere. But what if you could be the one who teaches it?
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man.
Modern teachers use modern tools, technology, creativity, and heart.
This movie that I think you like.
I will do a task was comfortable and uncomfortable.
To quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on the highest shelf.
An English teacher doesn't just teach grammar. They open minds, build confidence, and connect cultures. Being an English teacher means helping others reach their dreams and living yours.
Good, what about you? I want to talk about English advertising. I often see advertisements that say learning English fast or speak English easily. I think it's good because English helps people travel and find jobs.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. I just finished my English lesson.
Oh, nice. Do you like learning English?
Of course I like. It's really funny and useful.
That's true. English helps to talk with people from other countries.
Yeah, you're right. I learn English to travel and to pass my exams.
You will. Just keep practicing.
Thank you. Let's grab some coffee.
Let's go.
Good morning, Bernard. Nice to see you again. How have you been?
I'm great, thank you. I have been studying English for the last 6 months.
Really? That's great. Last time your English wasn't very good.
Yes, I know. I started an offline English course in the city. It helped me a lot.
That's impressive. So you can speak and understand English well now.
Yes, much better than before. I can talk to clients and read work emails easily.
Excellent. That's exactly what we need for this job.
Thank you, baby. I will keep practicing to get even better.
Good attitude, Bernard. Welcome to the team.
Hey, do you want to watch cartoons and sing a song and play English games? Join with us and you can see how fun learning can be. You will speak, learn and laughing all at the same time.
Learn English. Open the door to your future. English is the key to knowledge, travel, and great opportunities. Start now and don't be afraid of mistakes. Study a little every day and you will see the results. Your future speaks English and soon you will too.
Learning English is very important. It helps to find a good job, travel and talk with people from other countries. I study English every day. Don't be afraid to speak. Practice makes perfect.
I also believe English is very useful today. It will give more chance in life. It helps to understand music, movies and the internet. I want to speak English fluently, so I study a little every day. I advise you to learn English. It will really help you in the future.
Join us. Shape the future with English.